Okay, it's time to change your wipers on your Range Rover. And you can get them up, except maybe not that one. But there is a service position. And in the rear is the more obnoxious one. It's all tucked up under here. But there's a little trick to get them down. Alright, so you're in the car, it's off. Don't start the car. We're going to put it in accessory. And then we're going to turn it off. And then we're going to hold down the handle. And then we're going to turn accessory back on again. And let up. And now those are in service position. And those are in service position. So here's the back of the car. The wiper's easily accessible. And if you want the directions, and then whenever you're done with it, just hit the button again, and they close back down. Alright, hope to help you out. Thanks.